Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share some simple yet effective tricks to make your meals healthier. Listen, you don't need to be a bleeding Michelin star chef to cook healthy, fresh food. It's about making smart choices, understanding your ingredients, and not settling for bland, boring rubbish. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're tackling the carbs. Put down that processed white bread, that's absolutely bloody useless. We're swapping it out for whole grains like beautiful brown rice, nutty quinoa, and proper whole wheat pasta. These beauties are packed with nutrients and fiber, keeping you fuller for longer and preventing those energy crashes. Don't tell me you want to feel like a deflated souffle by lunchtime. We're talking about giving your body the fuel it needs to power through the day. Think of it like this: whole grains are the engine of your meal, the foundation for something truly delicious and satisfying. And don't even think about complaining about taste. A little creativity goes a long way. We'll explore some killer recipes in future videos, so stay tuned. Now let's talk vegetables, and no, a few pale, overcooked peas don't count. We're talking a vibrant rainbow of flavors and textures on your plate. Think vibrant bell peppers, earthy spinach, sweet potatoes bursting with color, crunchy broccoli, the lot. These beauties are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, essential for a healthy, functioning body. Don't even try to tell me you don't like vegetables. It's all about how you prepare them. Roast them, grill them, sauté them with a touch of garlic and olive oil. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and experiment with different combinations to find what tickles your taste buds. Remember, a healthy diet doesn't have to be boring. It's about enjoying fresh, delicious food that makes you feel bloody fantastic. Listen up, meat lovers, we're not saying goodbye to protein, just choosing it wisely. Swap out those fatty cuts of meat for leaner options like chicken, fish, and plant-based wonders like beans and lentils. Think grilled chicken breast with a squeeze of lemon, a flaky salmon fillet baked to perfection, or a hearty lentil stew packed with flavor. These protein sources provide the building blocks for strong muscles and a healthy body, without the unnecessary saturated fat. And don't even think about drying out that chicken, you donkey. We'll show you how to cook it to juicy perfection every time. Remember, healthy eating is about balance and making informed choices. So ditch the greasy burgers and embrace the lean, mean protein powerhouses. Now let's talk about fats. Yes, you heard me right. Not all fats are created equal. We're ditching the artery-clogging nasties and embracing the heart-healthy heroes like olive oil, avocados, and nuts. Think of olive oil as the liquid gold of the kitchen, perfect for drizzling over salads, roasting vegetables, and adding a touch of richness to your dishes. Avocados, those creamy green wonders, are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. And let's not forget about nuts. A handful of almonds, walnuts, or cashews make for a satisfying and nutritious snack. Remember, healthy fats are crucial for a balanced diet, supporting heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. So ditch the fear and embrace the good fats. Listen up, you sugar fiends. It's time to curb those cravings for the white stuff. We're not saying banish it completely, but moderation is key. And for God's sake, put down the salt shaker. Instead of drowning your food in salt, explore the wonderful world of herbs and spices. Think fragrant basil, earthy oregano, fiery chili flakes. The possibilities are endless. These little flavor bombs add depth and complexity to your dishes, making every bite an explosion of taste. And when it comes to sweetness, opt for natural alternatives like honey or maple syrup, but use them sparingly, you hear? Remember, a little sweetness goes a long way. We're aiming for a balanced flavor profile, not a sugar rush that'll leave you feeling like a right twit. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. It's about making simple swaps, embracing fresh ingredients, and getting creative in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and recipes. We'll be sharing more culinary secrets to help you elevate your cooking game and transform your diet. Now go forth and cook like you give a damn. See you next time.